Hi guys! So for today's video, we're going to eat this one. This is rambutan here in Philippines. And this is lanzones. This is lanzones guys. So let's eat. Hmm? Open. Hirap po. Lanzones.
Wala ko naman ito, kamitin naman. Ano? Adyo lang ko na. Uli at dahil nito.
Something like it's sweet with a little bit of sour. Meron ko pala. This is what it looks like. Yummy. And we're going also to taste the rambutan. This is like coronavirus. Nabili ko okay. I'm done. But this is not a virus. This is super yummy. We're going to open. It's like a marble.
Dahil na. Tunda na yun. Dahil na.
Sweet. Sweet like you. There is a seed inside. And you're going to eat this one, only the white one. Super yummy. Rambutan. I don't know why is it called rambutan.
Rambutan fruit.
But yeah, super delicious.
Nakaulit ang liso. Pwede dito sa lagon. Sa liso sa almond.
Lanzones. I don't know why is it called lanzones.
What's in English? Lanzones?
I don't know in English of lanzones. Sweet and sour. But there are also lanzones that very sweet. Depende sa klase.
Easy. Lain man.
Oh, thank you, Lord. And that's it. We need to separate them. The peeled one. And that's it. So guys, thank you for watching.